friends! As you've probably seen on the main channel, we finished the Beetle project, which means it is time for another project. But for the next car, we will be needing a car lift. So we'll be doing that project here in this garage. Hi Patrick. But before we can put a car on here, we gotta make some room. So that's what we're going to do today, and I thought it would be fun to take you guys with me. And the nicest addition to this garage is that Pascal got a little coffee machine, coffee maker. Look at that. For his birthday, which was months ago. It even still has the sticker on it. Now our goal for the day is to put the 850R there and the Prelude, I still don't know how to pronounce it, back at Pascal's home where the Beetle used to be at. So we're currently digging out that car. And I think we're going to push this one outside to make some room, right? Yes.
Yeah, big boys.
Zo, 4 bar erin.
Dat is goed, hè?
Ander ook 4 bar erin.
So after a couple of hours we did sort out a lot of things, and we also dug out the Honda, but it doesn't want to roll, so we gotta take a look at that because it's been standing here for years, of course. And we also found the rear seat of the Beetle that was missing, as you may have noticed, and we lost that too, but it was behind the Honda. And we're going to throw a lot of stuff out because we won't be needing all of that anymore. Lots of spare parts, huh?
Luckily I had this car with me today.
Yeah, you can take our shit.
Yeah, now I have to go back. But you could imagine that this would never fit in.
Pierre's also full.
Already full of stuff.
Yeah, we're going to keep this and take it home, but it's already full. And that's more 850R parts, and we gotta fix that car one day too, but we got another project to do first. And also a cool inlet manifold for my Honda Civic that many of you guys may not even know because that car has not been on the channel for so long, but I'm going to install that one day, right? Never. I even forgot I had that. Yeah, 2 years I think. I want to sell that car, but yeah.
Don't do it. What do you guys think? Should she sell the CRX?
No, not the CRX. This is for my black Civic. See, even you forgot that car. I got another Civic too.
Alright, I won't say anything anymore.
Yeah, and a bicycle, because that's very Dutch. Hello, this is probably the weirdest cut ever because I'm in my car all of a sudden and it is now the next day. But something happened yesterday because we were cleaning out the garage and then I got a call and I had to leave because I've been apartment hunting for over a year already because it's really hard to find a place to live here in the Netherlands, especially when you're on your own. But yesterday I got a call that there's an apartment available, not very close to my work or anything, but it is pretty nice, even though it's small. So I'm really happy because I got an apartment, but I had to go there right away so I can look at it and then sign the contract. So I got a new apartment and that's what happened yesterday. So we didn't finish cleaning up the garage, but sometimes other things go first. So that's why I did this super weird cut. And normally I just delete that part of the video because it wasn't a complete video, but I got another side quest to do today. So I figured I could just put them all together, and that's how life goes. Sometimes it's pretty chaotic, like today. But anyway, some of you might remember that I started restoring the interior of a flash green V70R, the dark blue interior that's also on my MK2 channel. And I've already finished all of it except for one part of the back seat that I still have to do, and I wanted to do that today. Now, the shop's open, so I couldn't film in there, so I decided to just pick it up. I just picked it up, that's why I'm in my car, and I'm going to send it in my backyard and then repaint it inside of the house, I think. And I figured, why not take you guys with me? Because this is the MK2 channel, so I can show you guys how chaotic things sometimes can be. So let's go and put that interior inside and then get started. Alright, onto the sanding. Now I don't think I have to tell you guys anything about how I do this because I've shown you multiple times, but I figured it would be fun to show you guys that sometimes, even though I work on cars, I do work at home too. So let's get sanding. And as far as working in the sun goes, I think that's it, because I think I'll have to move everything back inside. Unfortunately, because I don't think I can use this leather dye in the sun, because I know you can't paint in the sun, and I'm not even 100% sure, because I do think it will dry faster, but I don't think it will be the best idea. So I think I'm going to move everything inside, which is kind of sad, because I always get so happy when I can work outside, which isn't always the case, because it's, for one, always super rainy here, and I usually work on a car lift, so I can do that outside. So I did enjoy this for like 10 minutes, but it's 10 minutes, so that's a win. But let's move everything inside now. Alright, I'm back inside, and I think with this layer of plastic on there, this is a perfect workbench. All nice and set. Now let's get to the actual painting, and this is actually a pretty small side quest for once, so that's nice for a change, because I'm really busy. And with 2 layers of leather dye, this is all nice and done. And of course I didn't film the entire process, because like I said, it will be a bit too repetitive, but this is the final result. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, because like I said, it is a bit chaotic, but that's sometimes how life goes. So I hope that next week I can be back with a normal video, and I'm pretty sure I can. For now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!